Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. All week long, I look forward to Sunday dinner with my family and friends. I'm going to show you how I serve up mussels family style, where everybody can dig in and enjoy these. It's so good. Let me show you how I make these. Seafood in my house is such a staple. Every Sunday we load up on what we're going to cook on the Blackstone. The Blackstone really makes cooking these mussels so much easier than it was ever to cook in my home. I've always made this dish growing up. I order it at restaurants. My kids love it. My kids love scooping all that gravy into a mussel. I said gravy. Is it gravy or is it sauce? It's gravy. Well, I could argue this a little bit because, well, people would argue me because I'm using jarred sauce, which is sauce to me because I didn't make it. If I make it, it's gravy. If it comes from a store, it's sauce. But it's so easy to bring life to a jar of store-bought gravy. Add some fresh onions, fresh garlic, fresh herbs, some pepper, your meat, whatever you're adding into it. You could do this not only with clams and mussels by themselves or together. You could add some shrimp, you could add calamari, you could add any kind of seafood. You want scallops, make it a whole big seafood dish in red. Add the sausage if you want. It gives it a little different flavor, which is amazing. This is something that you could put over linguine or fettuccine or any kind of pasta that you like and make it into a whole meal. My kids have always been very open to trying anything. They look forward to helping me prepare the seafood, from washing it, debearding the mussels, scrubbing the clams. They love trying anything, and we all enjoy just sitting around. This is what like summer's about, but it's nice that you can enjoy this in the wintertime too. That pasta sauce really brings it a more like winter feel to me. I've enjoyed this dish my whole life growing up. I love making it for my family now, and if anything, I hope that my kids are making this for me when I'm older so that I can enjoy this for the rest of my life and watch my grandkids enjoy it too, because it really just reminds me of my family and my home. I wish you guys could smell this. It's so beautiful. Look how gorgeous this looks, served up on a beautiful platter for everybody to dig in. I'm gonna dig in because it smells so good. This to me is what Sundays are all about with my family. I can't wait to dig in. It's beautiful, served up, waiting for everybody to take a dip. It's so good. This reminds me of my family. I hope you enjoy this with your family. For more recipes, be sure to visit blackstoneproducts.com. I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you next time.